get lucky today. More big game fish. Our bounty secured, we head back to the Four Seasons. I got worked by the rough seas, and never has returning to dry land been more appealing to me. The chef maestros at Four Seasons are ready to get to work. The seafood bounty is loaded up from the resort's docks. Just look at this seafood gold. Amazing. From the docks, they're brought in straight to Chef Eric's kitchen. A gorgeous backdrop around us, the team gets to harvesting the most prized cuts of tuna. But don't worry, nothing here goes to waste. The finesse and dexterity needed to do this requires many years of expertise. With our beautiful ingredients laid out, we're gonna hone in on a French Polynesian staple, Poisson Cru. Anywhere you go in French Polynesia, at any day or any time, this is on the menu. Fresh tuna, diced carrot, cucumber, thin strips of tomato, red onion, bell pepper, lemon juice, fresh coconut milk, sea salt, and the traditional way to serve it, in a coconut, sitting on a bed of coconut flakes. It's as simple as that. Fresh island ingredients, Poisson Cru. There's a singular dish that can portray French Polynesia. This is it.
Eric, that was super simple. Poisson Cru.
Yeah, exactement. Poisson cru, recette très simple, typique polynésienne qui se mange un petit peu à tout moment de la journée, aussi bien le matin pour le petit déjeuner que pour le dîner ou le repas du midi. Lors de mariage aussi, c'est vraiment le plat typique par excellence polynésien, fait avec des produits, comme on dit ici, du fénois, c'est la terre, et le thon.
Wow. 5 minutes, it's ready to go. Fresh
Exactly.
ingredients.
Exact.
Well, I'm sure it's delicious. Let's try it.
Yeah.
And this was tuna. Yellowfin tuna, yeah?
Exactly.
Please join me.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is one of the tough parts of the job where you see how amazingly fresh the ingredient is. How do you describe that? Delicious.
Thank you.
And the coconut milk is just very mellow. It's not overpowering. It's just very mild. You appreciate the natural taste of the tuna.
Le lait de coco assaisonne bien sans masquer le goût originel du thon, donc c'est parfait avec.
Yeah, the balance is perfect. You have the crunchy veggies, fresh veggies, and then the nice meaty texture that almost melts in your mouth of the tuna.
Et le twist avec le citron vert pareil, produit local qui vient des Marquises, donc les îles aux alentours.
Yeah, and the lime is the star ingredient next to the tuna because it's just so strong, but it plays so well with all the ingredients. It's truly amazing. One more bite. This screams summertime.
Yeah.
It's a taste of summer.
Now that we've had the Polynesian staple, it wouldn't be Maximum Foodie if we didn't pivot to other possibilities with these amazing ingredients.
Poisson à la provençale, on va partir sur
Provençal?
Exact.
All right, let's see you do your magic.
Let's go.
Eric is now showcasing the French take on the dish. The same tuna is lightly seared and cut into little steaks. On top goes beautiful sun-dried tomatoes as well as fresh tomatoes, some microgreens, some coarse black pepper, freshly made sauces, we'll talk about those, sea salt, olive oil, and lime with a dash of sugar in it. Simple, elegant, embracing French techniques on Polynesian ingredients.
All right, so this is the French take on tuna, Poisson provincial.
Poisson à la provençale,
He says it better.
recette typique dans le sud de la France. On a aussi beaucoup de thon rouge, on a la chance. Donc là, on a travaillé la recette avec de la tomate. On a essayé de reproduire ce qu'on pouvait trouver en France. Donc de la tomate, du basilic. On a la chance de faire pousser nous-mêmes notre basilic ici. Du fenouil, de l'olive noire, de l'huile d'olive, un petit coulis de poivron et un pistou pour retrouver les goûts qu'on pourrait retrouver dans le sud de la France, en Provence.
I can't wait to try it. Oh. This one is lightly seared, the tuna. It's lightly cooked, whereas in Poisson Cru, it was completely raw.
Exactement. Juste, on a pris pareil la même partie du thon qu'on a juste très légèrement grillé pour avoir un côté mi-cuit, mais garder le cœur vraiment cru pour avoir un jeu de texture entre les deux.
And the French, as we know it, are masters at making sauces, bar none. No one else competes with them. And that's immediately apparent. When you get lightly seared fresh tuna and you pour on this sauce, which has, there's so many things in this sauce, basil,
Exactly.
pine nuts, there's so many things. We just took it to another level. Sun-dried tomato.
Exactly.
The Polynesians aren't gonna like me for saying this, but the French version is.
Exact. On a la Polynésie et la France, tous les deux réunis à Bora
It's a
Bora.
union, absolutely. Yeah. Tell you what, going out with the fishermen, it's a tough job.
Yeah.
I spent 2 hours with them, done. But it's awesome to see how the fishing is done sustainably, you know. Respect for the ingredient, and as a chef, you completely use all parts of the fish, nothing wasted, and pass it on to your guests. Amazing.
Et on travaille tout le thon qu'on travaille quand les pêcheurs ne peuvent pas pêcher de thon, on ne travaille pas de thon, on travaille sur d'autres poissons, que ce soit de l'espadon ou du maïs. Et toute la partie du thon, les têtes sont travaillées, les joues du thon, toutes les parties, que ce soit la ventrèche de thon, le otoro ou les longes de thon, tout est utilisé dans le thon. On essaye de respecter, comme vous dites, le travail du pêcheur qui est très dur.
Respect the animal.
Exactement.
Yeah, it's a perfect way to showcase French Polynesia on a plate. Really appreciate it. That was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love the dual take Chef Eric portrayed on the same ingredients. A fantastic way to showcase both France and Polynesia on a plate. My time at the Four Seasons Bora Bora comes to an end. I really can't think of another location that pairs luxury with dramatic landscape so seamlessly. Add on the amazing amenities, the sheer style, and ambiance. It really is paradise.